come for Valentine.
Wow.
Yes.
Don't worry, you know I have it sorted already.
That was the same thing you said during my last birthday and I did not say anything.
You know, during your birthday, I was broke.
Bro.
You cannot be too broke for me. Now you know I don't ask for too much, babe.
You know you are my understanding girlfriend.
Understanding girlfriend as I want something this time around.
You want something this time around?
Yes.
And don't worry, we're outside now.
As I do, yeah.
We're outside.
Tell me, you know I'm happy already. I'm excited to hear that. Tell me, where are we going to?
I don't like it when you don't trust me.
Okay, I trust you this time around.
Okay, you know what? This I follow on Instagram.
First stop, the cave. Pure fun, and trust me, it brings out your inner child. Then the farm, camp vibes, live animals everywhere.
Loving it already.
I know you like it.
Yeah.
You are outside. You just want to be outside every time.
Eat off. I
So
said the
yeah, you know what?
camels and went
Let's
horse
take
riding.
them. Help isn't expensive.
It won't.
You don't like it.
Let's just try it out.
But this place is so nice and I feel like it will be expensive.
Let's just see it first now. Let's chat them up and let's hear from them.
Wow, that's so fast. I love
They have
them.
a swift response.
I love their service already. It's giving 10 over 10.
Babe, it's so affordable.
Wow, affordable. That's so nice, babe. You know what? We are making the payments today and I'm starting the planning today.
Babe, you know they've not paid my salary now.
Saturday is Valentine. About that one, don't worry. I have it sorted out.
How about for you? But trust me.
Understanding, baby.
You pay those.
Wow, they are sorting our transportation, everything.
Yes, everything. So how's it just to pack up?
I love their service
And then
already.
go
Babe, you know that sneakers I love. I'll pack everything.
Just pack
for
it.
you.
You know I pay attention to details. Don't worry, pay. Everything is sorted out already.
Don't get love, plan it.